Take a look at this new 2010 Chevrolet HHR. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 on the highway. This HHR boasts an engine, and has a 5-speed manual transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the emissions, federal requirements, performance package, engine, Ecotec Turbo 2.0 LDOHC 4-cylinder D, transmission, 5-speed manual and the license plate front mounting package. Call 910-798-2727 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.